Meaning of hate.
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 Hate. Hate can be defined as a strong feeling of dislike or animosity towards someone or something. It is an intense emotion that can often lead to actions and behaviors that are harmful, hurtful, or even violent. Hate can take many forms, including racism, sexism, bigotry, and prejudice, and it often stems from fear, ignorance, or a sense of insecurity. Overall, hate is a negative and destructive force that can have serious consequences for both individuals and society as a whole, and it's important to work towards understanding, empathy, and respect for all people.